Hello and welcome to the Computer Science Pathways. I'm Daphne John. I teach computer science and engineering at Forsyth Central High School. I teach the first two levels of computer science, which is Intro to Software Technology and AP Computer Science Principles. Let's have a quick look about our computer science pathways here. So this is how our computer science pathway is laid out. First, you have the Intro to Software Technology, and second course would be AP Computer Science Principles, and then AP Computer Science Applications, and then you get college credit through AP, and I also have Microsoft certification. So to look into a little bit details about each of those courses. So in Intro to Software Technology, you mainly learn about a lot of software basics, programming concepts. You also learn about hardware and networking. Uh, to name a few, we'll be learning about HTML, CSS, and also JavaScript. So if you are more interested about the different standards of ISD, since it's a newer course, you can go in here and check it out. It's in GADOE website. Going back to our slides. The next course in our computer science pathway is AP Computer Science Principle. Here you go in depth into programming concepts. We'll be teaching Python, which is a sought out programming language in current industry. We'll be learning how to build games, which really interests kids, and it's a good way to make them learn programming. So they usually build games using Pygame. We'll also help them prepare for the AP exam, which they can use to get college credit. These are some of the examples of games that my students had done in the past years. So this is a little bit interesting. Let's see. So we get them ready to go to the next level of the course, which is APCSA. So they'll learn most of the intermediate coding skills when they are in APCSB, and when they go to APCSA, which is their Java programming, they'll be able to do more advanced programming.
Hi, my name is Mr. Goley, and I am also a computer science teacher at Forsyth Central High School, and I teach the AP Computer Science A class. So this is the third course in the computer science pathway, and this is an equivalent course to a first semester computer science course in college. So by taking this class and going through the pathway, you'll get the opportunity to take a class that will get you college credit. During this class, you'll learn the Java programming language, and you'll learn what's called object-oriented programming. Some of the projects we do in this class include programming UIs, user interfaces. You'll be able to create some simple games, and you'll learn to process data from external data sources. This class is an AP class. For those of you who may not be familiar, that AP designation means that you can take an exam at May and actually earn college credit for it. We also allow students who have done all three courses in the computer science pathway to earn a Microsoft certification in software development. They just have to take the MTA Software Development Fundamentals exam, which we help prepare them for. So in addition to the computer science pathway, we have a computing pathway that's brand new, and it's open to students in the STEM Academy at Forsyth Central High School. So for that, in the first year you would take scientific research. In the second year you would take the IST course. In the junior year you would take APCS principles, and in your senior year you would take APCSA and cloud computing. So this means that if you're in the STEM computing pathway, you would be able to take APCSA and cloud computing and take the associated exams for those. So a little bit about cloud computing. This is a brand new course, and you're actually going to learn to write programs to deploy on the cloud that work with big data. You'll learn to create object buckets in Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. You'll also learn to design and develop advanced technologies such as virtual private networks, and you'll also learn a little bit about AI and machine learning, and actually be able to create your own AI or machine learning program. You'll also get the opportunity to earn a cloud computing certification, either Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services. All right, so that's it for us about the computer science pathway. If you have any more questions, you can feel free to reach out to one of us, and we hope to potentially see you in Intro to Software Technology.